The client manufactures climate control systems for automobile manufacturers. Their current goal is to develop personalized thermal comfort solutions with the use of smart algorithms. They collected driver comfort data for 2018 and 2019, and they are looking to create a thermal comfort prediction algorithm using the data they collected. The client engaged Soothsayer to develop the algorithm. They provided Soothsayer with 3 kinds of potentially significant data to input into the algorithm: environmental data, vehicular data, and personal data. Rather than use a sequential split, we split the data by subjects that the data pertaining to a specific subject was contained in the same train, validation, or test set. This choice of split turned out to be more effective in predicting the comfort level than a sequential split. In addition to being unbiased, Soothsayer employed a number of advanced machine learning techniques to predict the thermal comfort level of a given subject with high 80% accuracy. Given the set of environmental, vehicular, and personal parameters, Soothsayer's algorithm is predicting comfort levels with high accuracy. And with the improvement in accuracy with more data, the client is likely to be well ahead of the curve in this technology.